Hi folks, so we have a couple of unique sections on the home page where we have these sort of images in the side. Now just to sort of quickly get to the how do we update these images in the background, what I'm going to recommend you do is in your settings, just to clear away some of the visual clutter, um, uh, I usually go to the design view options, visual aids, and I just hide everything just to clear up all the lines. But for the sections where we have the image to the right or to the left, the full solid image, and I'll just do a quick example here. That would be this image right here on the right, or this image here on the left. It's a background image. And to change it, what I recommend is sort of find the section in your page. You can do this in design view or code view, and just sort of select something to scoot down to that area. But what we're looking for right here is the background image, and that is the background image right there. And because we're using a background image style, we don't get to preview it. But where you see the section sticky up here, if you just look where the first column large 6 is, there's a background image that's associated or applied to that column. And this is the image link right here. Okay, so you can just go and change that with, I'm just going to see if I can get a little bit more room here. So no, probably not enough room to show the whole line right here. But anyways, this style right here, this is the image right there. And what I recommend you do, now the image that we use is, it's a 1920 by 1080p. But for this particular section in your page, it could really be any size image you want. You'll just have to test it out. Minimally, I'd make sure it's 700 or 800 pixels tall and 700 or 800 pixels wide, and then it should fill up that space. Okay, now in this example, we have the site themed images folder. We keep all of our background images right here, site themed images backgrounds, and we have these default section A through H. Then we have a couple of transparent ones and a bonus parallax background image. I don't even think we're using that at this point, but it's there if you need a spare image. That's how to change the images in the left and right sections. And for this particular one here, we have a background image that's full, but we have it so there's a slight fade out of the image from the right to left or left to right. But let's take a look at how to find those images. And of course, because the image is a background style, you're not going to see it in the design view, but we can quickly sort of find the section, right? Just sort of, if we look, there's the one with that image. So let's go to this one right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of try and grab the entire section so I can at least get close by using my quick tag selector here. I'm going to find the one that is bumped right up against the editable region, the first div tag over. I'm going to select it and then flip to code view. And right up at the very top, in the very second line right here, is where the background image comes in from. And it's a transparent or semi-transparent PNG image where we sort of blank it out a little bit from left to right. You can put whatever image you want in the background there, but that's where the image for that section comes in. And that fills up the entire background of the page as well. The entire section background of that area.